Hi, I'm Maria Kelly, Executive Director of AMOR Healing Kitchen here in Charleston. We provide healthy, nourishing meals for people who are sick, going through cancer treatments or recovering from surgeries. Every week we get to pick up 90% of our produce from Charleston Parks Conservancy. They harvest it that day. We pick it up fresh from them and bring it to our kitchen and transform what they picked that morning into healthy, plant-based, nourishing meals for our community. And it brings them healing, it brings them comfort, and it brings them support and strength while they recover. Like that. And then
Vegetables. Is that all just?
That's
That's right.
That's probably good, right?